Groups. The Groups function can be used to select or deselect several spotlights at the same time. Click on the Groups menu item to open an empty list. Use the plus in the top right-hand corner to create a new group and assign a group name. You return to the list view and can select the created group by clicking on the group name. All created fixtures that can be added to the group are displayed. To do this, simply tick the relevant fixtures. The order in which the fixtures are clicked on is also saved and is later used for motion effects and color effects, for example, which then run in the corresponding order across all the fixtures in the group. Click on the arrow at the top left to return to the list view. The group you have created is now also listed at the bottom left in the Groups area. Click on the group name to select or deselect all the spotlights in the group at the same time. Depending on the concept, it may make sense to assign the same spotlight to several groups or to save the same selection of spotlights in different sequences. It is important to give the groups unique names so that they can be distinguished later.